Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a BoxyCharm unboxing for you guys for the month of October. This is the base box and I just got this yesterday, I think. I actually, weirdly enough, did not receive tracking for this, so I had no idea it was coming in the mail and was pleasantly surprised to see it in my mailroom while I was looking for another package, and that is a long story. But anyways, yeah, so I'm just gonna unbox this for you guys and we're gonna look at all the products and talk through them all. So let me just open the box. This month mine came with an insert card. Sometimes they come with insert cards, sometimes they don't. I think it's to save packaging and paper, and this month's theme is Candy Shop. Ooh, that's kind of morbid though. I didn't notice this, but there's like bloody fingers like on the outside. Like, is that supposed to be kind of like morbid? I don't know if I love that or not. So anyways, I have variation 24 and I have 5 products. So I'm just gonna start with the first product that is on top. This is a Spongellé Cherry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. Okay, it says here on the card that this is a collaboration with BoxyCharm to create limited edition body wash infused buffers, what this is. And it says this is infused with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver root to cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and hydrate the skin for a spa-like pampering experience at home. And this retails for $20. I have gotten these in, I think it was a Luxe box a while back, and I really enjoy these. These are super fun to use and it smells so good. Let me just open this one up. Oh, that smells so good. It kind of smells like cherry blossoms. So yeah, excited for this one. Okay, and then the next product I have is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupuaçu lip butter. I am absolutely butchering pronunciations tonight. Oh, I'm so sorry for you guys. It's in the shade Teeny Bikini, which looks like a coral, and it says here, let me just read it. Soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of Cupuaçu butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for a lip-loving benefit that transforms dry, rough lips into your moist, kissable with the scrumptious aroma of dulce de leche. To your moist, kissable. Into your most kissable. Oh my gosh, I cannot read today. Embarrassing. But anyways, open this up. Oh, I love the packaging of this already. White cap with kind of like a rose gold metal tube. I'm a sucker for anything rose gold, and this is actually more of a like pinky coral shade. And let me just swatch this right here. Wow, that is super pretty. Super buttery too. It smells okay. I can kind of pick up on their signature scent, but it also kind of smells like Play-Doh to me. So that's interesting. I hope it doesn't smell super bad on my lips. And that retails for $20. And the next product I'm going to open is the Luxie Wonderlust set. And this says, create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. The versatile collection includes a tapered shading brush, blending brush, medium angled brush, large shader brush, plus a brow and lash brush. Stash them in your Luxie pouch for a glam on the go. And this is $40. So let me open this up. It smells kind of paint-ish. I think it's the pouch itself that doesn't smell the greatest. But anyways, here are all the brushes. I love Luxie brushes, so I'm definitely excited to have more. You can never have too many brushes. I probably have like 200 brushes that I rotate through. But anyways, yeah, excited for this. And I love the color of these brushes too. Like a periwinkle with a rose gold ferrule. Super cute. Right, and the next product I have is interesting. It is a concealer from Dose of Colors, Meet Your Hue Concealer. So it says this multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. So I'm kind of nervous to open this because I hope this is my shade. This is in the shade 10 Light. This actually looks like my shade, crazy enough. I want to see the description of the undertones on the website. So a Dose of Colors. Right, so 10. My shade is color light, and this is for yellow undertone. So I like to think of myself as more of like a yellow neutralish undertone, so it'll be interesting to see how this looks on. I will swatch this on the back of my hand because I'm wearing makeup currently, and then I will swatch my current concealer. So this is what the Dose of Colors looks like, and then I will swatch my current concealer right next to it. And I will swatch my current concealer, the Rare Beauty, right next to it. Alright, so just comparing them, this is the Rare Beauty, this is the Dose of Colors. The Dose of Colors looks a bit dark and too yellow for my skin tone, but it'll be interesting to see how it looks on my face. Blend it out, but if it is too dark and too yellow, that might be a little bit disappointing. Now that I'm blending it out, it does look a little bit better. So maybe this is more of a concealer for my face, whereas the Rare Beauty is a bit light for my face. So I'll try it that way. You guys can see Dose of Colors versus Rare Beauty. And then last but not least, I have an eyeshadow palette from Ciaté London. And this is the New England Editor palette. Retails for $32, inspired by New England in fall. This palette features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richly pigmented autumnal hues. Mix and match the metallic glitters and mattes for effortless eye looks. Oh boy, I just cannot read today. Oh wow, this is really pretty. It's like pink with like lavender pattern, lavender lettering. Let me open this up. Ooh. I think I will keep this. This looks really promising. So it's very shimmery. There are a few mattes. So I think I'm actually going to swatch a few of these. I am really curious about this green. I am sucker for a good green. And let's swatch this blue too, as well as this blue. Let's take this purple. Swatch them right here. Ooh, that is not bad at all. Wow, that's actually pretty, super pretty. You guys can see. It's kind of an awkward angle, but I think this green is definitely like my favorite of the ones I swatched. Also like this. I think this purple blue shade is super unique. Alright, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching my BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of October. I'm actually really happy with the box for the most part, except for the concealer because it's a bit dark, but I think I'm going to reach for all these products and at least try them out and try and incorporate them into my daily looks. If you guys also get BoxyCharm, please let me know what products you got in the comments below. I'd love to know what you're loving, using, and what variation you got. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell for post notifications. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Valentina and I upload 2 to 3 times a week and it's so nice to have you here. Thank you again so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye everyone.